I just got to Dallas last night about midnight, and we arrived to my monthly LRP that I sent here. So I wanted to go through that and go through the BOGOs with you guys real quick this morning before we get our day started. So I opened it last night to get out the face wash I needed to use. Let's see. So first things first, what I always put in is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So this is the daily supplements that we take every day in order to help with our energy, our mood, our sleep, everything. And so I always order a pack of the Lifelong Vitality Pack. And then when you do that, you can add on up to 3 additional supplements. So I add Mito 2 Max. This is the energy and stamina complex. We use this in the morning in replacement of like coffee or something like that. And then this month I opted to add these 2, which are 2 of the bottles that are in the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So I added those so that I could have an extra 2 out of the 3 of the supply that we normally need. Because James and I have been doing a little extra and trying out different things. And then this month, for the first time, I've never ordered DDR Prime, but Hilary LeMay has been doing some study on this with behavioral study and how it works with your sleep and your mood and all that type of stuff. And doTERRA sells it in the oil like this in the 30 ml or in the soft gels. And so I opted to try the 30 ml, and I'm going to make a roller bottle out of it to put on our spine and our bottoms of our feet 3 times a day. So this is going to really help with extra sleep, which James has been struggling with recently, with some different stressors and stuff that he's got going on. So we're going to try this, and she just did a 30-day study and found some really awesome things for behavior and perfect for going back to school, kids that may have a hard time focusing and that type of thing. So let me know if you want to try DDR Prime. What else? They put all my stuff in this little Ziploc so it wouldn't leak all over the other things, which I've never had happen, but just in case. So this month, sorry, I probably should have unwrapped this before, but this month, doTERRA always does a 10% off item every month, and so this month they did the HD Clear kit, the whole bundle, and so we had been wanting to order it, but I've been putting it off in place of ordering some other stuff that were a higher priority every month. And so I finally decided that since it was 10% off this month, why not give it a go and grab it. So we ordered this, and this is what I pulled out last night, the face wash. So this is the foaming face wash. It's the HD Clear line is geared towards acne prone skin. So it's something that James is really in the need for that. And when I don't eat right, I'm really in the need for it. And so it's a really good daily face wash that you can use. You just do a pump and then wash your face with it. And you can follow up with this is the facial lotion. So you can follow up with that after you wash your face. And then we've tried this one before, but this is the roller of the HD Clear Topical Blend. And so this, I use it as a spot treatment. I'll just roll it on wherever I've got problem area. But we were out, so it was perfect timing to get that in the kit. So all 3 come, they're 10% off this month, so I think it's like $40, which if you do any sort of like good quality facial care, this is very, very reasonably priced. So grabbed that, and I was very excited to try that last night and really enjoyed how my face felt after the fact. Next, I grabbed one of these introductory kits. This is actually for somebody who wants it, and I just grabbed it on my order, but open everything up. So this is a really good place to start if you're not sure what to get or how to get started. So this little intro kit comes with a bottle of lavender, lemon, and peppermint, and it talks about what to use them for. So all you do is it comes in this cute little box, and you get the 3 bottles of your lavender and peppermint, which these 3 together are known as the allergy trio, so they're a really good starter. All together, the 3 of them, there's a little listing of what you can use each of them for, but the 3 of them are the 3 most popular oils that we use. I use lavender for like all the things calming sleep, rest, sunburn. Lemon, I use, you can use it in your water, you can use it to cleanse your fruit, and then peppermint is really good for cooling this summer. It's good for digestion and all that type of stuff. So if you're interested, you can snag one of these things for 20 bucks and get started and not have to feel committed to like a big huge kit or things that you're not going to use. So that is for a friend. And then I was getting low on Guard Plus, and since we are here in Dallas and then traveling to Florida this week with family and friends and out of our routine, I wanted to make sure that I had some immune support with me. So grabbed another bottle of these. They're really good to take if you feel like you're coming down with something, or you're going to be on the airplane traveling really congested areas. This is good for that. They're just a little soft gel, and you can take one as often as you feel necessary. I grabbed samples. I always like to stock up on samples when I get low. So these are the Deep Blue Rub samples. Really good for any muscle and soreness, any discomfort that you're going to have. The rub is the lotion version, and so it's really easy to put on. It's kind of like Bengay. You can put on any of your muscles. So this is the toothpaste samples. We love the On Guard whitening toothpaste. So these are just little sample packets. They're really easy to take when you're on the go and when you're traveling. When we fly, we'll just take a couple of these to get us through however long our trip is, so that we don't have to worry about like liquid requirements and how big our toothpaste is, but still have a good natural toothpaste. So those are the On Guard toothpaste samples. And then this is shampoo and conditioner. I had to order it because we needed them to go to Florida, because I don't like to take my big bottles when I travel. It's just more messy and more of an issue. So this is the shampoo and conditioner packets. The shampoo is just smells heavenly. I wish I could open it. It has lime and wild orange in the shampoo, and then this conditioner is like one of the softest, smoothest, makes my hair feel fantastic conditioners that I've ever used. So if you're interested in trying it, let me know. I've got samples. So and we also take that when we travel, because we don't have to worry about the liquid requirements if we fly or we just have a carry-on or whatever. In this case, it's just easier than taking the big bottles. And what else is there? Okay. This is On Guard. So On Guard is the protective blend. This is really good for all things immune support with going back to school and the kids going back to school. There's just so many germs that go around at work and when we're at the gym and stuff, and so this is really good to diffuse. You can apply it topically. You can make a roller bottle out of it. You can wash your fruit with it and put it in your apples and make little On Guard apples so they taste like cinnamon. It's delicious. So this is actually free this month if you place a 125 PV order, which I did. So I got this bottle for free. So that's awesome. And then this month there's actually an additional 200 PV promotion. So you can see that here. The 200 PV promotion is that you'll earn a free bottle of Manuka Touch, which is in this little box. Because Manuka is only available in the Australian and New Zealand market right now, and so it's not something that we can actually ever order. So I hopped on this and did the promo. So it comes in this really pretty box. I don't know if you can see all of the detailing on that, but it comes in this pretty box. And Manuka is really good for really excited to see how it smells. I've never smelled it. I've never used it before because I haven't been able to get my hands on it because it's only been available in... It's so woodsy and grounding, just really refreshing. So Manuka is the oil of being upheld. It's really good for emotional balance. It's good for immune support too. So that's kind of cool that they paired it with the On Guard. It's a perfect time of year for that. It's just really good for stress and pressure and all that type of stuff that's going on when you go back to school. So you can't get it any other time. So if you really want to get this, hop on this promo because you'll get the free bottle, the roller bottle of the Manuka, and then you also get a free bottle of the Litsea, which is also specific only to the Australian and New Zealand market right now. So it's not something that we can regularly get. And again, it's something that I was really excited to try because I have never had it before. That's like, it's like citrus, but a little grounding at the same time. Litsea is the oil of manifestation, which I'm excited to use it for diffusing and topically, working on, some vision, some dreaming, some stuff we've got coming up. And so I would like to use this to help with that manifesting those dreams and those goals. And it's good for emotional balance. It's good for feelings of inspiration, brain fog, all that type of stuff. So again, another good one for back to school. And these two are oils that we cannot get. Like, you can't order them unless you have a friend over in Australia that's willing to send it to you, which I do, but she's not using doTERRA right now. So shout out to Melody for that. But these two are limited time and only for the month of August. You can get this with any 200 PV qualifying order. So if you get started with a kit that totals up to 200 PV or products in general that's 200 PV or on your loyalty order this month, you can get these for free. And I'm just very excited about this. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you need anything. Again, the promos for this month, if you order 125 PV, you'll get the free bottle of On Guard. If you order 200 PV order, you'll get the free Manuka Touch and the Litsea. And then 10% off this month is the HD Clear Kit. Perfect for kids going back to school, face washing, all the things. So, yeah, that's it. That's my box for this month. Stay tuned. There may be another one because you can snag up to 4 sets of the Litsea and Manuka. So there might be another set later coming. Have a good day.